calling from Phoenix, Arizona. I've been riding Harleys for about 10 years now. This is my Espinoza's leather vest, custom order, perfect to my size. I first heard about Espinoza's. I grew up in Ojai, California. It's pretty much the only way to go when it comes to vest. Perfect fit. I don't like my vest pretty boxy. I like it nice and tight. When you go into Espinoza's, they'll fit you up, take your measurements, exactly how you like it. Pretty nice guys. You roll in there and they take care of you every time.